If you're looking to travel into extreme remote terrain or to simply go camping, the latest addition to the Muddox lineup is a perfect fit. This is a covered wagon used for exploration or camping or just keeping your items out of the weather. It's an aluminum cab that goes across the entire length of the trailer. Then we've got a little bit of a deck on the back side right here. You open it up, and there are 2 bunk beds that fold down inside the trailer. So you can fold one at each time, or both at the same time, or none at all. We have chains on both sides of the bunk beds, and then we have these quick latches to latch the bunk bed back into place. One hand pushes it up. If you have a lot of equipment packed inside this Amphibious trailer, it's not a fun job to take everything out of it, pull the floorboard up, and then grease all your individual inner axle bearings. So what we've done is added a remote greaser kit on the inside of the trailer. So all you need to do is come to the front side of your trailer, take your grease gun, pump a few bits of grease in there, and you're good to go. And then of course on the outside, we have grease zerks on each end of the trailer as well. On the top section of the trailer, it's very similar to the safari rack that we offer for the Muddox. You've got a railing that goes all the way across. That way you can put some gear up here, and then you can run ratchet straps from the railing across and tie everything down securely. Not only can you store a lot of equipment inside the covered trailer, but you can also put them inside the Muddox with this convertible canvas cab. The really nice thing about the canvas cab on this unit is that you can run it in its full cab configuration, or extends from the very front to the rear of the machine, or you can remove the rear section and run it just over the front passenger compartment. Gives you a little bit of flexibility of what you can do on the unit. Now this specific trailer setup is hooked up to our rear winch with our spare tire carrier. It slides right into the hitch receiver, and then we've got a second receiver on this end of it that you hook the trailer into. Now you'll notice that we have a tube sticking out of both the left and right side of it. The left side, our customer chose to have a spare tire carrier. You can add another one on the right side, or you can have a fuel can, or you can have fuel cans on both sides. We can put a tire on the right side, fuel can on the left. Bunch of different options that we offer. Maybe decide, you know what, I don't really want any of that on the machine right now, need a little bit more space back here. You can just simply undo the pin down here. The winch is a quick disconnect up here, and then the tire carrier is a quick disconnect with the pin on the rub rail of the machine, and that whole thing slides right out. Very, very simple.